All right, this next overlay is called a web widget overlay. And so it looks like the little globe here. So when you click on that, it allows you to now configure it. So what I'm going to do is actually add a YouTube video overlay. It's actually going to open up a web page of YouTube, and it'll allow me to do something kind of cool where I can do those kind of instant live reactions based on the video, and I can start and stop it. So let's name it YouTube, and then I'm going to paste the URL here. Now the widget options, typically speaking, you want to make this as high resolution as possible, depending upon your computer system. But by default, I'm just going to leave it as 1280 by 720 because I'm not going full screen. So I don't need to go 1920 by 1080 or anything like that. High resolution mode, if I want to play it, if it's got a lot of fine, intricate details to it, I will do the high resolution mode, which basically means it looks better in the overlay. Keep running essentially means that if I hide the overlay or if I disable or change the different scene, that overlay actually is continuously running in the background. You're going to need that running if it's a website overlay, like such as a YouTube video, or if it's a traditional website, then you don't need to do that change. But if it's something like, for example, an overlay service that allows you to add a pop-up whenever somebody gives you a super chat or super sticker in YouTube, like a YouTube Live, then you'll need to keep this running. So let me just click that anyway. The next option here is fill the entire frame. So when I add this, is it going to fill the entire screen or not? I don't want that. And then the transition basically says, are you going to make it fly in from the top, bottom, left, or right, or just automatically let it figure it out? So let me click on Add Widget Overlay. What's going to happen right now is it will start playing the YouTube video, and I'm just going to let it play. And again, for the sample of this video, you're going to hear the echo simply because I've got the audio playing to my speakers. So let's do this. So click Add.
Using quality animated graphics in your productions
All right,
can
so
really
now
help
you can
to
see that I've got that, but I can't click on it. Every time I move it, it's here. So what you need to do is you need to click on this.
Your Zoom meetings or your...
You need to click on that little icon. So when you hover above the icon or the video overlay, you can see here that it turns into a little finger. So now when I enable it, so it's on, it means that this becomes interactive. This YouTube becomes interactive, right? If I have it untoggled, it just becomes a regular overlay that I cannot adjust, but this allows me to change the size and things like that. So what a lot of people do is they'll add a camera overlay, which is smaller, and then they will add a larger overlay, which is the actual YouTube video itself. So something like this. I hope you're really enjoying this Ecamm Live Masterclass, because this has been an absolute joy for me to actually create. And the reason why is because I just love Ecamm Live, and I love the whole aspect of content creation, and I hope that you do as well. So please go ahead, leave some comments below. Let me know how you feel about this. Let me know if you have other questions about the specific topic that I'm sharing in this video. And another thing that I really want you to do right now is I want you to go ahead and scan this QR code or click the link in the description below, because this is where I'm going to be housing not only just this Ecamm Live Masterclass, but a lot of cool extras that are not going to be found on YouTube. So you have to register absolutely for free in order to grab this content. It's in my member portal. So go ahead, scan the QR code or click the link in the description, and I will see you on the other side. Now, I'm going to go ahead and again, this is exactly like a regular browser. I'm going to go ahead and go into active mode, and I'm going to click on full screen. And so now it's fully interactive. So I can go ahead and click on it just like I was pressing play on a regular YouTube video.
Online events, or maybe you are doing some sort of coverage of a sports event, and so you want to have...
All right, so you see that it looks exactly like this video is playing on my screen, and I get to pause it and play it whenever I want to, and it's just basically allows me to do those live reactions. So this is a really common feature for Ecamm Live.